Hi all, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are safe. And in this video I am sharing few recipes, also sharing few clips from previous days. This video was shot on Sunday and Monday. Sharing few glimpses. I hope you enjoy watching it. Bangalore is following a strict lockdown, so we have to finish shopping for groceries before 10 am. My husband went and bought vegetables which we are going to use for at least 10 days. So I'm cleaning and packing everything and keeping them in refrigerator. I'm sorting the vegetables and keeping them separately in different Tupperware boxes and lining it with tissue paper. I have already shared a video on how to store vegetables for longer time, and this method has been very helpful for me. Alhamdulillah, this way the vegetables stay fresh for at least 15 days. So I'm very satisfied with this method. Also today we finished shopping for chicken, and this is going to be useful for us in the next few days. I'm very impressed by the way this chicken shop guy packs the chicken pieces. It's a new way and very hygienic way, I must say. If I find the link of this shop, which is located in Fraser Town in Bangalore, I will share it. Do check it out. And the chicken is very hygienically cut and it looks to be very tender. First I am going to clean the chicken nicely. Actually this chicken is very clean, so I am just going to go ahead and wash it with a little bit of turmeric and salt. Wait for the water to drain out, and then I'm going to pack it after dividing in different batches. I'm going to divide it according to the household. It depends on the pieces also. So I'm going to divide it in different Tupperware boxes and keep it in the freezer. This way it is easy for me to defrost them, thaw them and use it. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. I haven't yet started preparing breakfast. First I'm going to clean the vegetables, sort them and keep the chicken also in the freezer, and then I'm going to clean the kitchen a little bit because the kitchen is very messy right now, and then I'm going to start preparing for breakfast. Since today I'm running short of time, I thought of preparing something which is very easy. So this came into my mind. I'm preparing rava idli today. This is an instant mix. First I'm taking 300 grams of rava idli mix, and into this I'm adding 300 ml of curd. Now mix it nicely. I'm going to leave it for few minutes, and after few minutes you can see that the soji has absorbed a lot of moisture. It's become very thick. At that point I'm going to go ahead and add again 300 ml of curd. So the ratio for curd and the rava mix should be 1:2. So curd should be 2 quantities to the rava mix, then only the rava idlis will turn out to be soft. As you can see, the consistency should be very flowy. If the curd is not so, you can add a little bit of vinegar to the curd, or if you are falling short of curd, if you don't have enough curd, you can add little bit of vinegar in water and add it to the batter to make it nice and flowy. I have already lined the idli steamers with a little bit of oil. I have greased little bit of oil on the steamers, and I am going to pour it with the batter and steam it nicely. Sometimes it is nice to use this ready to make packets, instant breakfast packets. So whenever I go shopping, I grab one or two of such packets. Whenever I'm not in a mood to cook something elaborate, or I'm running short of time, or I'm tired, I like to prepare something which is very quick and easy, and it's also filling. So now the idlis are done. They are ready. I'm going to take them out, remove them and serve it. You can serve it along with sambar or chutney of your choice. I had some leftover sambar with me, so I'm going to serve this idli along with that. Also, I have prepared coconut chutney, which is a very easy recipe. I'm going to share that also. As you can see, the idlis are super soft. They're so soft and so tasty. Actually, the perfect combination along with this is coconut chutney. It's very easy chutney. I'm just taking some chopped coconut here, and a little bit of mint leaves which I have fried in a little bit of oil, few drops of oil, 2 green chilies and 3 cloves of garlic. Adding a little bit of salt to taste, and I'm going to add a little bit of drinking water and grind it to a nice chutney kind of texture. and chutney is ready. So this was my very quick and easy breakfast. For lunch I had prepared just dal and some sabzi, so I did not take the video. Again for dessert I prepared something which was very yummy and it was very quick to make and just requires only 3 ingredients. I am making bread pudding. For this I have taken 750 ml of milk. Into this I am adding 1/4 cup of sugar. Now you need to boil the milk and reduce it till it is the half quantity, till it is nicely thickened. So you have to keep on stirring it, make sure that the milk doesn't boil and reduce it till it is half. Once you are satisfied and the milk is nicely thickened, you can go ahead and turn off the flame. For good flavor, I added a little bit of vanilla flavoring. Nicely mix it and keep it aside. We are going to use it later in the pudding. Here I have taken few slices of bread and I am going to roast it on top of tawa. Apply ghee on both the sides and roast it nicely till it is nice crispy golden brown. This is actually an easier way to make shahi tukda. Usually bread slices are fried in hot oil and then dipped in sugar syrup and then rabdi is applied on top of it. So this is a very short easy method. I call it a quick and easy bread pudding. So do try it. I'm sure you will love the flavor. It is very tasty, very easy also. Now in a bowl I'm going to layer the bread slices nicely. And on top of it I'm going to add the hot milk. After adding the milk, it is optional. You want, you can skip it, but I like to microwave it for 1 minute. So this ensures that bread absorbs the milk nicely and the milk is nicely dried. Even if you don't microwave it and leave it for few minutes, then also the bread will absorb the milk. I prefer microwaving, which is optional. So now you can see the milk is nicely absorbed by the bread. Now go ahead and set it in refrigerator for at least 20 minutes or at least until it is chilled. Now it's nice and chilled. You can garnish it with nuts. Here I've used some almonds and cashews. Now I'm going to serve it. As you can see, it is ready in few minutes and it's a very easy recipe. It just involves 3 ingredients: milk, bread and sugar, which is found in everyone's kitchen. I am sharing this in lockdown because usually during lockdown we feel very bored at home. So trying this recipe is a nice refreshment, and also it involves minimal ingredients. So do try this, and if you have any feedback with this recipe, share it with me in the comment section. I'll be very happy with it. Kids have finished their lunch and they're playing in their room. I love to make this bread pudding because it is very easy to prepare and kids love it because it is very yummy. I usually prepare this dessert and this is a go-to dessert in my house. Do try it and I'm sure everyone in your family will love it. It's been raining since afternoon and the weather has been very pleasant this evening. After it has rained, I love to go out and stand in the balcony and look at the beautiful sceneries. The raindrops falling from the roof and the freshness of the leaves, the beautiful colors of the flowers and leaves, they are so enchanting. Alhamdulillah, it's a feast to eyes and I love spending time here. So this was my video for today. I hope you enjoyed watching it. See you again next in my next vlog. Bye guys.